severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, northwestern Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, west central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, east central Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chester to near New Cumberland to near Toronto, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Moon Township, Franklin Park, Shaler Township, Plum, West Mifflin, Northside Pittsburgh. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 48 and 58. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 58 and 69. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 47 and 84. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Columbiana and Jefferson and Hancock, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for northern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northern Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 4 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include East Liverpool, Aliquippa, Monaca, Wellsville, Economy, Ambridge, New Brighton, Beaver, Calcutta, Baden, Rochester, Ovieville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 24. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 34 and 45. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Nearshore